In this video, I'm going to show you how to send kisses as a message on iPhone on iOS 18. So with the new iOS 18, you're able to send text message or iMessage as kisses on iPhone using the new iOS 18 feature. So if I don't know this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do when you want to send kisses as a message on iPhone is open the messaging app on your device. Now open the message where you want to send the kisses to. And here I'm going to send this message as iMessage. You can see that. Then click on this plus icon. Once you click on that, click on the more button. Here, come down here and select digital touch. Then double tap this like 5 times. Keep tapping. Then swipe this up to have a full interface like this. Then let's delete this. Then tap this. You see that, just keep tapping like using your 3 fingers. You need to use 3 fingers to tap the kisses on your iPhone like this. You can see I'm using 3 fingers. Then once you are done, this is going to send to the recipient like this. Then you see delivered. Then come here and tap keep to keep these kisses. Keep. Then if you open this, this is what the receiver is going to see. Now you can keep this as long as you want on your iPhone, and if you fail to keep, this will be deleted in less than 5 minutes. So this is how you can easily send kisses on iPhone on iOS 18. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.